So here's the snowstorm. This is what we see outside. Going upstairs to see where the cars are. It is almost 9 o'clock on Saturday morning. And this is what we have. Started at 12 o'clock Friday afternoon. There's Peanut. He's taking it all in, enjoying it. Look at the cars. Keep in mind, we have about 12 more hours of this. And this is the car, which I cleared off around midnight last night, and this is what I have to do. And there's more to come. This is amazing.
Is on the other side of this.
The street is on the other side of this here. Someone plowed our driveway. And Peanut, there he is.
Say snow!
What do you think? Yeah.
Look it. This is unbelievable.